again.
So the wait is over. It's time for our first contest of the evening. This is the 2018 IBA Women's World Boxing Championships Light Flyweight Final with a weight limit of 48 kilograms. It is bout number 258 on the program. Your referee in charge of the action in the ring is from Romania, Miss Ramona Kobzak, and the judges ringside from Egypt, Trinidad and Tobago, England, China, and Cuba. So, let's meet the fighters. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner and representing the Ukraine, please welcome Hannah Akota!
Yes, Hannah Akota, well, she's young, she's fearless, and she's got challenge in front of her in the form of MC Mary Kom, but she's really done well. She's performed well. She knows it's not going to be easy against MC Mary Kom, the experience she possesses, but she mentioned she has plans against walking in, looking very confident, the boxer from Ukraine. In the red corner as well, she'll be Hannah Akota, and she knows it's going to be a big challenge. It's going to be a mouth-watering clash. The first bout here.
And her opponent, about to make her way to the ring, she'll be fighting out of the blue corner, and she represents India. It's MC Mary Kom.
Well, you can hear the cheer. You can hear the cheer at 35. She's on course for a historic 6th gold medal. Can she do it again? A true legend, an icon, and inspiration for many people. Mary Kom, and well, she has been, of course, the 5-time world amateur boxing champion, got the Olympic medal of bronze in London 2012, and it's been a great journey for her. 2002 is when she got the first gold medal, of course, then in 2005, then in 2006 at Delhi, 2008, then 2010 in Krishna, but now she's all in greatness here, and you can hear the cheer as well. What an atmosphere, Patrick.
RJ, you've seen some sporting atmospheres in India, I'm sure. Obviously, the cricket, they can go crazy, but this is something special. It is absolutely packed to the rafters here, not a spare seat to be had. Are we about to witness history? Can Mary Kom make it a magnificent 6?
Absolutely, and you remember, it's been a great journey for her. The way she has really progressed over a period of time. A lot of people have come to watch this clash, this bout.
Great to see so many people from the Ukraine here cheering their boxer on as well. Mary Kom has carried the weight of women's sport in India on her shoulders for the best part of 20 years. Can she cross one more bridge to win world title number 6? Every fight she's had at these championships has been progressively harder and harder. She managed to get past the North Korean Kim in her semi-final. Listen to this atmosphere.
Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And the start as well. The start of the first round.
Mary Kom in blue for India. Hannah Akota in red from the Ukraine. A cagey start from both fighters. Mary Kom, look at the speed of her hands, and there goes the right hand tagging the Ukrainian air league. But we've seen that Hannah Akota has got gears. She's gone through gears consistently through this championship. It's Mary Kom's biggest test to date. In Delhi in 2018, of that there is no doubt. The stakes could not be any higher.
Absolutely. First round at times, you just gauge the opponent. But you see that? A few punches there from Mary Kom to start with. The first round.
Mary Kom, a little bit more laid back than usual, not as sprightly on her feet. To be fair, Hannah Akota looks comfortable to stand there and trade as well. It's Mary Kom's movement that always impresses the judges. Look at that right jab. Smack bang on the button. That impacted the nose of Hannah Akota. The Ukrainian would have felt that. Mary Kom at the moment seems to be in cruise control, but you cannot take anything for granted. You heard me speaking to Pat Biacco. 3 3-minute rounds. One mistake could be crucial. Very difficult to make up ground in these fights. And again, Mary Kom stands there. She used her head movement. I'm not sure Hannah Akota got a nice 2-punch combination from the India.
Absolutely. I think she's really using those combinations very nicely at the moment. The way she's guarding herself, the way her face as well. Once again, just using that right fist to very good effect.
Hannah Akota at the moment is very wary. You can see the respect she's showing Mary Kom. She's very reluctant to come in at close quarters. On the evidence of what we've seen so far, it's the Indian that has just the quicker hands. I'm surprised they're both fighting a little bit flat-footed. Not as much movement as we've seen from either of them. But Mary Kom here just looks very comfortable. That was a dangerous left from the Ukrainian coming in as we're approaching a minute to go mark in the first round. That was a good shot from Akota. Good work from the Ukrainian at the end of round one.
Yeah, just about 1 minute left now in this round one. Look, 6th world title and will help her break the tie with Ireland's Katie Taylor. Mary Kom, she wins this one.
Nice work from Mary Kom. She just looks so casual. She's just a natural. Speaking to Rafał Bergamasco, the Italian coach about it for these championships, you know, I keep asking him, is Manisha the next Mary Kom? Is Sonia the next Mary Kom? He says there'll never be another Mary Kom. Those girls are going to be excellent, and I'm sure they're going to win gold medals at various championships. But Mary Kom is a once-in-a-lifetime athlete that India have, and enjoy her while she's still here, because at 35, if I was there, I'd win this gold and retire. Oh, they both wrestle to the ground there. Our referee from Romania will bring them both up to their feet.
Yeah, just once again, just having a word as well. Everything is okay. Just checking there. The 5-time world amateur boxing champion, Mary Kom, the magnificent Mary, is Mary Kom.
And Akota just only in the middle of the ring towards the end of this first round. Final 3 seconds. Good work from the Indian, but Akota does a good job of covering up and replies with a left of her own. An enthralling first 3 minutes of action. Did Mary Kom do enough to win that? If it was a win for either, it has to be a win for either. It surely was only 10-9 either way, which means this contest still very much alive. And I can also tell you, Arja, having been in that ring at the start of the show, it is red hot in there. Obviously, the stadium is packed, the aircon doing its best, but those fighters are perspiring greatly.
Absolutely, and they go through the grind as well. You can see this clinging there, but Mary Kom definitely doing a few good punches, a few good jabs as well early on. That was very important for her to start with.
You can see some of the work. That's where Mary, I think, just had the arm around the neck and she almost came down. Don't think, well, there wasn't a warning. She had a chat with both of them. Those shots from Mary Kom won't be scoring shots. With Hannah Akota doing a good job of covering up with her hands. The crowd here looking at her anxiously. Rafał Bergamasco screaming out instructions to Mary. She still looks calm and confident. She's got 6 minutes now between her and Destiny. Can she steal this third round as well?
The start of the second round, definitely the crowd backing out. There's a lot of chant. Mary all around. And she's been an icon, isn't it? A true legend.
Again, now you can see Mary Kom a little bit more on her toes in this second round. Interesting to see if she plans to fight an interesting tactical battle. There she is. She goes for that powerful right coming through. Rafał Bergamasco has been masterful with the tactics and instructions given to his boxers at these championships. Mary Kom again with that right coming forward.
Really mixing very nicely those combinations, those left and rights. Mary Kom also defends, the way she's just assessing, going back at times, and once again attacking. Really mixing up beautifully at the moment.
Nice work from Mary Kom. She landed a couple and got out of dodge, and that rattled the coach. As you could see, she was angry with herself there for allowing herself to be tagged. There's the view from the coach's bench where Rafał Bergamasco, Shiv Singh, Tamar Ali and others are all in Mary Kom's corner.
Well, you can see the feet movement as well. She's so nimble-footed. And of course, that expected category. Just clinging there, a bit of different ploy here as far as Akota is concerned. In this round especially, she's looking to attack much more as compared to the first round.
Again, Akota, that attempted righteous block. She managed to get one through there, though. Mary Kom has got to be careful. Mary Kom, very confident, having to stand in front of Akota, who clearly has supporters of her own here, but the Indians massively outnumbering the Ukrainians, and the chant of Mary. Mary strikes up almost every other minute here.
Yeah, Mary Kom recently, in the Silesian Open in Poland, she beat Akota. Only this year.
She said that in the interview as well, didn't she? In the semi-final, she mentioned that. But again, great for her confidence. But the other flip side is that Akota knows more about Mary Kom now, and we've seen it. I mean, even yesterday when we were commentating on this semi-finals, the second batch of semi-finals, it's so difficult to second-guess the judges. Some of the outcomes have seen us raise our eyebrows. You just never know. You've got to try and take it out of the judges' hands by being absolutely and thoroughly dominant.
Absolutely. The punches have to ride in the right areas, the knuckle as well. The knuckle has to be landing out there. So where is landing above the belt line? That's also important. So many factors attribute to a decision that goes in a particular boxer's favor or not.
Oh, Mary Kom with the slip there. Hannah Rakota, I think, was asking for a knockdown, but it's ruled a slip. Still, that's the second time that Mary's been on the canvas. That was a lovely right from Kom. That was the perfect response for a little stutter previously. And the final seconds of round two ended a bright spot for Kom, and they touched glass. I don't think Rakota's too happy there, complaining, I think, about maybe Mary Kom coming forward with the head. She matters not. Rafael Bergamasco goes to work. A fascinating second round in the books.
Absolutely. Very intriguing to see. Well, she was more attacking as compared to the first round of Kota, but just slipping a bit in the latter half of that round, and then just finishing in style, Mary Kom. But really, it was absolutely absorbing. Great boxing from these both boxers from India and Ukraine. Really, absolutely. Just that slip by Mary Kom, but she recovered really well.
Sharp stuff for Mary Kom. But you can tell now, you can sense it in this arena, can't you, RJ? Everyone's a little nervy, because I think a big round for either of these fighters could still swing it the other way. They need to raise their voices. A packed KD Yadav Stadium, the third and final round. Is Mary Kom 3 minutes from destiny and a place in the history books for India?
Well, will she be taking Katie Taylor? Well, only time will tell. And this round, as you mentioned, Patrick, could be decisive. This could be the round for both forces.
Nice right jab from Mary Kom. This is where she's excelled, you know. This is where all her years of experience come in handy. She won't be phased, whereas the younger Hannah Rakota might be tempted into being reckless. Look at that combination from Mary Kom. And those were two shots that sealed goal. It was sensational quick hands. This is Mary Kom at her absolute best. She's looking to the referee for some assistance there. And all of a sudden, Hannah Rakota's made Mary Kom, I think, a bit angry.
Absolutely. I think she's done really well in the first minute of this third round. She's dominated a few good punches as well. And that could be the separating point between the two.
Nice right hand again. Manages to contact. I think Mary Kom is doing the business in this third round. Is she bringing home gold for India at these 2018 Women's World Boxing Championships? Now she's more sprightly on her feet. The coach, you get the impression, knows she needs to do more now, and that could work in Mary Kom's favour. It's beginning a little bit niggly. They're both warned about the head, leading with the head. Mary Kom now dancing around the ring, then coming forward. She's got Hannah Rakota at this. I think she's done enough unless Rakota can come up with something special, but I've been about 30% correct with my predictions for the second test of judges at these championships, so I don't want to tempt fate. But Mary Kom is coming on strong in round number 3. A wild right misses.
That seems like, Patrick, as you mentioned, I think this round she's done really well. She's been absolutely dominant. Mary Kom's good few punches as well from her. And she deliver something other way around here as far as Hannah is concerned.
Mary Kom just making sure in these final 40 seconds she's not on the receiving end of any big shots from Rakota, because surely Rakota knows she's going to try and land. This suits Mary Kom now. If she can just dance around the ring and stay out of dodge, and even better if she can land some shots of her own.
Yeah, I think this has been the ploy, because she attacked earlier, not just on the defensive, just moving back, just dodging a bit. That guard has been absolutely brilliant from her, the defense as well, and time running away for Okota. Really is going to be difficult now for Hannah Okota to come back. Not too much time left.
Mary Kom, final seconds. And Hannah Rakota, I don't think Mary Kom knew the bad. Hannah Rakota thinks she's won this. This is going to be a nervous wait. Millions across India with bated breath as we go to the judges' scorecards.
Yeah, she looked pretty confident in the end, but really to start with, Mary Kom delivering some very good punches left and right, and in the end, of course, was a bit defensive. Just see those blows early on. Those lovely combinations from Mary Kom. Kota, well, has she done enough? That's a big question now. In the end, just on the defensive, just moving back a bit, Mary Kom. But the combinations are really good from her in the third round from the Indian legend. Waiting for the decision now.
After 3 rounds of boxing and a tremendous display from both athletes, we go to the judges' scorecard. The winner, gold medalist and 2018 IBA Women's World Boxing Champion at the light flyweight division is, by unanimous points decision, in the blue corner, representing India, it's Mary Kom.
So that's the goal for Mary Kom. She's done it once again and created history. She's broken the tie between her and Katie Taylor from Ireland, and everybody here at the Katie Jadhav Stadium on the field. What a legend she has been. Truly an icon and inspiration for many people, and she's done it once again. The 6th gold medal for Mary Kom in the World Amateur Boxing Championship. So she's created history here. MC Mary Kom, the Magnificent Mary as they call her, and it's been absolutely brilliant, sensational, and it looked very obvious the way she started the third round. She really dominated, did everything right, MC Mary Kom, and it's been absolutely brilliant, and everybody who's come here, watching all over the world, well, she's really done what they wanted. All the fans of MC Mary Kom would be delighted. What a true legend she has been. She is definitely the pride of India, MC Mary Kom, and the 6th World Amateur Boxing Championship for her. Absolutely brilliant.